In this video, I'll show you how to make a character in AI. So if you want to make your own AI chatbot, then the first thing you need to do is head over to an internet browser and you're going to head to the website character.ai and hit enter. So once you're on this website, you need to log in with an account. I'm just going to select continue with Google and I'll be linking this to my Google account. Then you need to click on create from the left hand side and select character. And first things first, you need to give your character a name. So I'm just going to call mine Robin Hood. If you want to upload a profile picture for your character, just click on the edit button here and select upload image. Alternatively, you can generate a random image by clicking this button. All you need to do is create a short description of what your character looks like and then go ahead and click generate. So if you're happy with your images, just select the one that you like and click on select. And then you need to create a tagline for your character. Now, this is only really important for the search and for other people finding your character. Also bear in mind that the tagline is always visible in the chat window. So I'm just going to type in I'm a hero. Then you need to come down to description and you want to describe your character. So this could be things like mannerisms and personality traits of your character. So because mine's Robin Hood, I'm going to type in things like kind and polite. Then set yourself a greeting message. And this is going to be the first thing your character says. So I'm just going to type in hello, I'm Robin Hood. Then come down to voice and click on the drop down. Now you can either search for a particular voice and then you can just go and select something from here, or alternatively you can click on create in the top right hand side and you'll be able to upload your own voice. So I'm just going to click on this pre-made one and hit select. If you want to provide a little bit more details about your character, you can click on more options and you can describe things like your character's backstory. And if you're confused on what to write here, then just click on this best practices button and that's going to go and explain more about the types of things that you should be putting in this box. But for now, I'm going to leave this one and come all the way down to the bottom. For visibility, I want to keep mine public so other people can find my character, but you can choose to either unlist this or make it private and then go ahead and select create character. So now that we've created our character, you can go ahead and start engaging with it. If you want to make any changes to your character, click on the 3 horizontal dots in the top right hand side, click on the 3 dots again and then just press edit. And from here, you'll be able to change all of the information about your character. And it's as simple as that, guys. That's how you make an AI character. If you did find this video helpful, then let me know in the comments below and I'll see you in the next one.